Good morning, friends. In this video, we are going to see about Muhurtam. There are two types of Muhurta. One is Vaidiha Muhurta and other is Lauhiha Muhurta. Vaidiha Muhurta means you will use Nakshatra, Tithi, Yoga, Karana, Tarabala, Lagnabala, etc. to fix for an auspicious event. In Lauhiha Muhurta, Guruji has found out using Purva Punya and Bhagya, which was explained in the introductory part of our video. Of our channel, how to use Purva Punya and Bhagya. So we are using 3rd Lord and 11th Lord to fix a good Muhurta for all auspicious events. Here you can perform all your day-to-day activities to marriage, everything, all the auspicious activities can be performed in this Muhurta. So first we will see the rules, then we will see an example also. Now first rule is calculation of GMP Lagna. If anyone doesn't know how to calculate GMP Lagna, you can see the video whether an event will happen or not. In that we have explained how to calculate GMP Lagna. The link is given in the description, and also at the end of this video you can see the link and you can click on that. Next step is finding out Lagna Lord and Lagna Star Lord and the relative distance between them. That is either Kendra 212, 311, 59, 68. Kendra is best, 68 should be avoided. Third is relative distance between 3rd Lord and 11th Lord. Similarly, Kendra 212, 311, 59, 68. Kendra is best, 68 should be avoided. Next is for each Lagna there will be 3rd Lord and 11th Lord. You have to fix Muhurta when these two lots combine. For example, a particular Lagna may have the 3rd Lord constellation or the 11th Lord constellation. We have to take that. Then we will further divide them into 9 parts as Meena 1 and Meena 2 found out, which is also known as KP system. Here we will call it as Upagraha. Since we don't take degrees and minutes and seconds, we will round it off. For smaller planets, that is planets having smaller dasa like Ketu, Sun, Moon, Mars, we will take 1 degree, and for the planets having larger dasa, that is Rahu, Guru, Saturn, Mercury, Venus, we will take 2 degrees. If we add them, we will get 14 degrees, but no need to worry about that because we are taking sunrise as 6 am for calculation of Lagna, so it will get adjusted. Now we will take either the 3rd Lord constellation or the 11th Lord constellation, and we will take any one of them and we will fix the Upagraha of any one of them. Say for example, if you are taking 3rd Lord constellation, you will fix the Upagraha in 11th Lord constellation. Now the next rule is Saturn should not aspect Lagna, Lagna Lord, 3rd Lord, 11th Lord, or 3rd house and 11th house. So if Saturn aspects, it will delay the event, but it will not deny the event. Next rule is whenever required, we can use Karaka to fix the Muhurta, Karaka planets. That will be more powerful. For example, travel means Moon, marriage means Venus, etc. So now these are the rules. Now we will see a Muhurta. Now 25th April 2020. Here the Lagna we have taken is Rishabha Lagna, which is from 716 to 916. Here we have calculated the Lagna. Next is calculation of fixing of Lagna degree. Here Rishabha Lagna contains Sun, Moon and Mars constellation. Since Moon is the 3rd Lord, we are taking it and fixing the Muhurta in that. Venus and Sun are in 212, Venus and Mars are in 59, but Venus and Moon are in Kendra and is also the third lord, so it is more powerful. Venus and Moon are in Kendra means the relative distance between Venus and Moon. They are placed in Lagna, but even though if they are placed in the second house, we will call it as Kendra only. That is, both Venus and Moon, if placed in second house, we will call it as Kendra only. We are concerned about the relative position between the Lagna Lord and Lagna Star Lord. Next is third Lord is Moon, 11th Lord is Jupiter. So we have to fix Moon Nakshatra and Guru Upagraha. Up to 10 degrees it will be Sun Nakshatra. So after that 10 to 11 degrees Moon, 11 to 12 it is Moon Nakshatra, Mars Upagraha. 12 to 14 it is Moon Nakshatra, Rahu Upagraha. After that Guru Upagraha. So we have to fix Murta in 14th degree of Rishabha Lagna. 14 degrees means 56 minutes. So adding 56 minutes to 7:16 we will get 8:12. So 8:12 is the good Muhurta where Moon and Jupiter are conjoining. That is the Lagna Lord and the Lagna Star Lord, which is Moon, that is the third Lord, and Upagraha, which is the 11th Lord. This is the best Muhurta. Here third Lord Moon and the 11th Lord Jupiter are in finine position. However, Jupiter aspects Lagna Lord and third Lord. So this is a good Muhurta. So now Saturn is aspecting the 11th house and 3rd house. So there will be delay in the matter, but it will end successfully. So like this, you have to fix the Muhurta whenever the 3rd Lord and 11th Lord are conjoining. Here, this 3rd Lord or 11th Lord or Lagna Lord should not be connected to or placed in 8th house. We will see more of the examples. So far we are posting only the rules and we will be posting more examples in Prashna, Natal Chart and Muhurta. So all the doubts will be clarified. So if you have any doubts in this video, you can post in the comment section. Also, you can subscribe and also click the bell icon and select all notifications so that you will get notified of all the videos whenever we post. So thank you. Take care. Bye.